Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be doing a full cooling system upgrade onto the WRX. Recently this car started overheating on me. I'm not sure if it's as simple as the coolant's going bad, or if the radiator's going bad, or if there's something going wrong. But I've been meaning to get the cooling system upgraded at some point, so I feel like now is a good opportunity to do that. So what I have to put into this car today: Mishimoto performance radiator and fan shroud, Mishimoto expansion tank, thermostat, and the radiator stays. These are more just for looks than anything else. So hopefully this should be a smooth install. Should be pretty straightforward. Just unbolt everything, drain all the fluid, put the new stuff in, and we should be good to go. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Did I have to take the bumper off? Not really. Does it look more interesting if I do? Yeah. This was one very stuck thermostat. It took a lot more force than I thought it would to take this thing out. So, yep. At this point, it's just a lot of reassembly stuff. I actually never realized how the radiator there and the AC condenser radiator thing here are actually two different things. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to see the really cool M from the radiator, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. I'm not doing this for looks, I'm doing this for performance, obviously, but I mean, looks can be a secondary. Getting a little ahead of myself. I kind of realized I put this hose in place before putting this one underneath it. So, it happens. I'm just gonna have to take that off and then get that under. Okay everyone, it is the next day, so everything is in. We got the radiator, expansion tank, overflow tank, all the hoses, everything's tightened, everything's all good, so we should be good to go ahead and throw some coolant in here. I was looking on the forums what kind of coolant I should use, and people were saying that this coolant was okay for Subarus, so this is what I'm going to be going with. I've also got this new coolant funnel here, which I'm going to be trying out today. First things first, I have to put this cap, the stock radiator cap, back on. So, according to Mishimoto, you can't use the Mishimoto cap that comes with the radiator. You have to use the stock one. I don't know why, but that's just what they say. So, I'm not going to take any chances, I'll just follow their instructions. And normally you'd take this one and put it on the expansion tank, but there already is one on the expansion tank. So, we should be alright. So what I'm going to do first is, before bleeding the system, I'm just going to pour coolant into it, just so I don't have to put everything through here. I'll fill this, the radiator core, and then the expansion up to the full line, and then we can bleed the system. So I think with that being said, let's just do it. Well, so I thought I recorded this part, but didn't. I may have forgotten to check my work and didn't realize that the hose clamp on the bottom hose was a bit lopsided. This isn't that much coolant, so it's alright. I'm not happy about it, but that's not a big deal. But what is a big deal is that this is empty now. I have poured all 2 gallons of coolant that I bought into this car because I thought 2 gallons would be enough. Not even close. Not even close. So I'm gonna have to make a quick run to the parts store and get coolant. Wonderful. I better do it quick because it's gonna snow pretty soon. So I think I'll just stop recording and I'll just go there now. Coolant mission successful. And this is also one of the bottles I bought. So this is $60 of coolant on top of another 30 probably over there. Slightly annoying, but you know what? We do what we gotta do. So it looks like it's just kind of bubbling like that. So I didn't need these 2 bottles, but actually I'm glad I have a little bit extra, just in case something leaks or something happens here. I got extra coolant to put in the car. Let me show you guys something. This is from one probably 5-mile trip. Look how much dirt and salt from just one 5-mile. That's really annoying. Okay, looks like it's settled down now. So I'm going to just put in a little bit of extra because we're gonna roll the car out and then I'm gonna start it up. And it'll probably drink all of that. Okay, well, here we go. Let's do this. So I'll just let this run for a while. I'm going to be watching the temperature as well. I'm going to turn the heat all the way up. So far we have nothing, but this is how it was before, so yeah, there's that. No heat though, that's not a good sign, but it might just be because we're getting some of that fluid through. But I will be watching this temperature very closely, just to make sure that it doesn't go past the middle. If it goes past the middle, we're gonna have to shut it off and then try again. Well, I'll let you guys know what happens. The car's been running about 40 minutes. I just shut it off. In fact, you can see the vapor still coming out of the exhaust. Everything looks good. It went to the halfway point. Didn't even go a little bit over the halfway point. My max temp on the access port was 174. Pretty good temp. I imagine that when I get into boost, I'll probably get a little higher than that, but that's alright. And system's all bled, so we should be good. I'm just gonna let it cool down and then take this out, put the actual cap back on it, and we should be done. Alrighty guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna be testing out this car over the next few days just to make sure everything is all good. Idling seemed fine, went up to middle, didn't go up past that. Obviously when I drive it, I get into boost and stuff, so that'll be the real test to see whether all this stuff works. But looks good right now. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.